The link is in the description. Hey guys, I'm Madhya and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you 5 creative and easy ideas to make your Instagram story look really aesthetic and attractive. So let's begin. So the first one is to use this filter named Artistic Matte, which automatically makes your Instagram story look really good, and you can directly find it on my Instagram handle at @Kulkarni. The link is in the description below, so make sure you go and check it out, and also make sure to tag me in your stories so I can repost them. So go on my Instagram handle and click on the filter icon. Then just click on the Artistic Matte filter and click on try it. Make sure to save the filter first so you can use it again and again in your stories. Then just click a picture, and I'm just going to add some regular decorations. I'm going to just type subscribe. Place it aesthetically right, and then just going to add a small line. That's it, and then you can post it. So the second one is the Boomerang Options. I don't think many of you might know this, but whenever you take a boomerang, you click on the boomerang icon. This is the classic mode, and you can see 3 other filters, which is the slow mode, the echo one, which gives a very echoey feeling, and the last one is the duo, which adds a little glitch to the filter. So you can experiment with the boomerang options and see what perfectly fits in your boomerang that you've taken. Have you ever felt like adding a border to a photo in your Instagram story? Here's how you can do it. Select any picture that you want to post and open your keyboard and select any symbol. Here I'm going to select underscore and keep selecting it until it becomes a long line. Then I'm just going to copy it because you're going to have to need to do it for the other 3 sides as well. I'm just going to place it correctly, and do this for the other 4 sides as well. Then to make it more attractive, I'm just going to add a few zigzag lines. And then I'm going to erase the lines which are going from left to right. I'm doing this because it really gives it a 3D effect, which is very cool and very attractive. Have you ever wondered how to make your stories look really attractive when you repost a photo in your story? Here first I'm going to add a tape to the reposted post so that it looks like it's just stuck there or something like that, and it gives a really cool effect. So this is very easy for the iPhone users, as all you have to do is just copy and paste the tape image with the transparent background, of course. And for the Android users, you can download SwiftKey keyboard, and you just have to select it as the current keyboard. And then all you have to do is open the keyboard, go to the emoji section, then click on the pin. I have already pinned my tape, but you can add it and it automatically pins, and just place it right. And to make it even more aesthetic, I'm just going to give it a light background, and then I'm selecting a dark green color and add a wave. So here's how you can do it, and then just fill it up, and you can select a brush size, and I'm just going to do it for the other corner as well. And then what's really cool is I'm going to add this arrows which Instagram has just launched, and you don't need to draw any of them, you just have to draw a line basically. So this is a really easy idea which you can use to make your story stand out, and it is known as hanging text. So I'm going to type a couple of underscores to make a line. Select a color which I have selected, black one, and then select a font. And make sure to copy it first and then place it. I'm going to type hello, so I'm going to do this for 5 times. And then I'm just going to add HELLO to all the lines, selecting a certain color and probably a different one to all the letters. And then you have a text which looks like it is hanging. You can also do this sideways or however the space is in your stories. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something from this, and do check out my filter artistic matte which is on my profile. You can find it easily and just save it so you can use it in every story when you post. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a huge like, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time, and bye.